Total number of schedules in Indian Constitution. Answer B. 12. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission? Answer A. Prime Minister. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer C. Chief Justice of India. The idea of fundamental rights in Indian Constitution was adopted from. Answer D. America. Which article of Constitution gives the provision of President in India? Answer A. Article 52. Which union territory has a high court of its own? Answer B. Delhi. Minimum duration to stay in India before applying for Indian citizenship? Answer B. 5 years. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer C. Vice President. How many languages were originally recognized by the Constitution as regional languages? Answer B. 14. Under whose prime ministership was the right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights? Answer C. Morarji Desai. Number of standing committees in Indian Parliament? Answer D. 45. Number of constituencies in Uttar Pradesh for Lok Sabha election? Answer C. 80. President Lok Sabha is the. Answer A. 15th. Who is the first woman governor in India? Answer C. Sarojini Naidu. Who is the first woman chief minister in India? Answer B. Sucheta Kripalani. Where the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration is located? Answer D. Mussoorie. What is the intermediate tier of the Panchayati Raj system is called? Answer C. Panchayat Samiti. Which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj in India in 1959? Answer A. Rajasthan. If both the office of President and Vice President vacant, who has been empowered the President function? Answer B. Chief Justice. Who was the President of India at the time of emergency in 1975? Answer C. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Who is the longest serving President of India National Congress? Answer A. Sonia Gandhi. Who is considered as the chief architect of Indian Constitution? Answer C. B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the first state to be formed on the basis of language? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Answer B. Badruddin Tayyib. Joint session of Parliament is presided by. Answer A. Speaker of Lok Sabha. The name of the Laccadive, Minicoy and Amendevi Islands was changed to Lakshadweep by an Act of Parliament in the year. Answer D. 1973. Where the headquarters of SAARC is located? Answer C. Kathmandu. The members of the State Public Service Commission are appointed by answer D. Governor. Who coined the term non-alignment? Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Panchsheel Treaty was signed between India and China in the year answer B. 1954. Which article of Constitution provides Indian citizens right to equality? Answer B. Article 14. Which is the article that provides special status to the state Jammu and Kashmir? Answer C. Article 370. From which country India border 5-year plan? Answer A. USSR. Which state has the highest number of members and its state assembly? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. What is the minimum number of members required for a state legislative assembly? Answer D. 60. What is the maximum number of elected members for a state assembly? Answer B. 500. The union budget is presented in the parliament each year on the answer A. First day of February. If president dies while in office, the vice president can act as president for a maximum time period of answer D. 6 months. What is the minimum age required for governor of a state? Answer C. 35 years. The chief election commissioner can be appointed by the answer D. President. Precedence rule can be imposed initially for a minimum duration of answer A. 6 months. In which state the precedence rule was the first imposed in India? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer C. Sukumar Sen. Which article of Constitution give the power to presidents to impose precedent rule in a state? Answer D. Article 356. Who is the first female Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer C. Meera Kumar. Minimum age required to contest for Lok Sabha election? Answer D. 25 years. Who is the chairman of Kendriya Hindi Samiti? Answer A. Prime Minister. Which state has the largest legislative assembly? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. Right to Information Act in India applies to all states and union territories except answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. Who is the longest serving Chief Minister in India? Answer C. Pawan Kumar Chamling.